Mr. Nano's Mighty Armour DIY paint protection has you and your vehicle in mind, so you save time and money for years. Gain effortless cleaning properties. Adventure out and explore with Mighty Armour's unbeatable minor scuff and scratch protection. Apply with one easy application. Incredible deep glossy shine. Protect and prolong the value and appearance of your biggest asset today. Prevent corrosion, cracking and fading, minor scuffs and scratches, swirl marks and stains. No more polishing or waxing needed, because Mighty Armour's superior shine and super smooth finish makes taking care of your vehicle a joy.